Chapter 7 Worksheet Key. Number 1, to be a complete sentence, a group of words must have a subject, a verb, and make sense. Number 2, a group of words that has a subject and a verb that doesn't make sense is called a sentence fragment. Number 3, Maggie and I are going to New York soon. You cannot use is, am, or was because those are singular verbs, and are is a plural verb. You need a plural verb because you have a compound subject, Maggie and I. Okay. Number 4, complements are, with the complements with an E, are words that describe or rename the subject. Now, complements with the I is the other one, nice words about someone or something. But this is one with the E. Number 5, a group of words that has a subject and a verb, but not a complete thought, is called a fragment. This is just like number 2, but worded in a different way. Number 6, verbs that end in S are singular. Number 7, most nouns that end in S are plural. Number 8, sentences with a singular subject require a singular verb. Number 9, here is the list of 5-star cruise ships. Here we have an inverted sentence. Inverted means it's backwards. When you have a subject, a sentence that starts with here or there, the subject comes after the verb. The subject of this sentence is list. Okay, it looks like it could be ships, but ships is the object of the preposition of, and subjects cannot be objects. So we're actually talking about the list. So here is the list of 5-star cruise ships. Number 10, when a subject starts with here or there, the subject is after the verb. Number 11, sentences with a singular subject require a singular verb. Number 12, choose the correct sentence. Quality food and excellent service are expected. We have quality food and we have excellent service. That is a compound subject, therefore it needs a plural verb. If you look at my friend and colleague are an experienced artist, we have my friend and colleague are one person because it says artist, not with an S. So therefore that would have to be is here to make it correct. The chief cursor or the assistant are ready to help. Here we see we have an or. So if it's one or the other, it makes it singular. Therefore, that would have to be is. Number 13. Neither the cat nor the dogs was given treats. It can't be that one because we have cat or dogs. And the one after the or is the one you have to match it to. And dogs is plural, was is singular. That is wrong. Neither the captain nor the manager accepts responsibility. Here we have a neither nor, and the one that comes after the nor is manager. That is singular, so we need the verb to be singular, which is accepts with an S. So that is the correct one. Sunbathing and jogging is my favorite activity. We have bathing and jogging. That's a compound subject, so it needs to be are to be correct. Number 14, Etiwanda Cruise Line offers special group rates. Well, we're talking about one cruise line, so it would have to be offers with an S to make that singular because this is singular. Number 15, proper attire as well as courtesy and civil behavior is expected is wrong because we have proper attire, courtesy, and civil behavior. That makes that subject plural, so it has to be are, not is. The ports of call is usually considered in selecting a cruise. Well, we have ports, which is plural, so we need are, which is plural. So that one is wrong. Travel agents with training and experience are very helpful. We have agents with training and experience. So since we have both training and experience, it has to be plural. which is are. Number 16, not one of the pilots was trained for jets. Okay, we have one is our subject. Of the pilots is not our subject because this is the object of the preposition of, and subjects cannot be objects. So, one was trained. That's what we're looking at. Here we have number 17, we have another inverted sentence. Here, blank is the list of 5-star cruise ships. Okay, well, we have is because list is the subject here. And list is singular, is a singular. Rachel and Celia are traveling in Europe. Okay, we have 2 subjects, therefore we need a plural verb, which is are. True or false? A verb phrase must have a subject. That is false. That's why it's a phrase and not a sentence. Number 20, a phrase must have the subject and a verb, but it does not have to make sense. That is false. A phrase does not have to have a subject or a verb. You can have a prepositional phrase like up the hill, down the hill, something like that. Number 21, the subject tells what the sentence is about. That is true because that is what the subject does. Number 22, all verbs need helping verbs. That is false. Most of them don't, but some of them do. There's your answers, key for chapter 7.